Okay, I'm going to show you how to change this start button down here to anything you want, whatever name you want. First of all, you're going to have to back up the file that you've already got. So you would go to the start menu, My Computer, C drive, Windows, scroll down to Explorer, right click, copy. I've already done it, so I'll no bother. And then you go to somewhere like Documents and paste it in there. That's you created a backup in case anything goes wrong. Right, now you need to get the Resource Hacker program. If you go to this website here, angusj.com/resource hacker, and then if you scroll down and just download it for Europe, doesn't matter where you download it for, as long as it's you're downloading it. Right, once you've downloaded it, you then go to Resource Hacker, install it obviously, or unzip it, sorry. Then you go to this icon here, just double click on it. Right, you go to File, Open, Windows here, and you go to Explorer. There's Explorer. There you go, that Explorer there, obviously. Just open it. You go to String Table, hit the wee drop down box next to it. Go to number 37. Go to 1033. And then change Start to whatever you want. You want to keep the apostrophes, so watch you don't delete them. So just change that to whatever you want. And instead of start down here, if you want Bill, you'll put in there Bill, obviously it won't have been my name. And then you'll go to compile script. Then you go to save as. And if you save it as explorer4.exe, that will stand out to you when you go looking for it later. Once you've saved as explorer4.exe, you can come out of this now, but make sure it's save as and not save. You close out of that. Now that's you ready to rock and roll. So what you do now is you go to you have to tell your registry what you're doing so it can point to that file. So if you go to start menu, then run, then regedit, okay, you go to HKey local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, current version, and Win Logon. Now, once you're there at Win Logon, you'll see all this data on the right hand side. If you scroll down to Shell and double click it, and in the value data box type in explorer4.exe, and that's you pointing to the new file. Click OK. Then if you come out of that, reboot your computer, and when you've rebooted it, you will see that this has changed from start to whatever name you've put.